Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Dr. Oetker Tiramisu. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 500 milliliters of double cream, 250 grams of mascarpone, and 60 milliliters of coffee liqueur. Also, prepare 30 grams of icing sugar and 10 milliliters of Dr. Oetker Madagascan vanilla paste. Don't forget 250 milliliters of strong coffee, about 150 grams of sponge fingers, 7 grams of cocoa powder, and 25 grams of grated dark chocolate. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy filling. In a large mixing bowl, combine your 500 milliliters of double cream, 250 grams of mascarpone, 60 milliliters of coffee liqueur, 30 grams of icing sugar, and 10 milliliters of Dr. Oetker Madagascan vanilla paste. Whisk these ingredients together until the mixture is beautifully smooth and forms soft, delightful peaks. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect tiramisu texture. With our cream ready, it's time for assembly. Pour your 250 milliliters of strong coffee into a separate bowl. Take your sponge fingers, one at a time, and quickly dip them into the coffee until they are nicely soaked but not falling apart. Line the base of your 18 by 25 centimeter dish with these coffee-infused fingers. Then, spread half of your creamy mixture evenly over this layer. Finish with a light dusting of cocoa powder and some grated dark chocolate. To complete your tiramisu, add another layer of coffee-soaked sponge fingers. If you have any leftover coffee, drizzle it over this second layer for an extra boost of flavor. Now, spread the remaining cream mixture smoothly over the top. Cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. Before serving, give it a final dusting of cocoa powder and a sprinkle of grated dark chocolate for that perfect finish. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.